Jai Bharat. If given me a chance again, I would love to go back to my school because I think each one of us, we the grown ones, we always cherish the memories that we had during our childhood days, and our school plays an important role in our life. For me, school was always fun. Is it same for you also?
Yes.
You enjoy coming to school?
Yes, ma'am.
We do a lot of things apart from academics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So while academics is important, it is also very important that we enjoy school. So
Yes.
today I am looking forward to questions which will bring a smile on our face. Can we do that?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
There will be smiles on all the faces.
Yes, ma'am.
Superb. So we are ready with our next episode and let's see how it goes.
Which is your favorite place in the school?
Obviously, it's our school's gate. Now you must be wondering why. Because that is the place from where you enter the school, right?
Yes,
And the moment you enter the school becomes the happiest place. So I love the school gate.
If classrooms could talk, what do you think they would say?
I'm sure classrooms will whisper all the secrets, that you discuss with your friends, which I am not aware of. So I really want someday, if this happens, I'll come to know everything that you discuss. The small little whispers
Yes.
which cameras cannot catch. So I'll come to know about that also. Okay, tell me one thing. If seriously this happens and classrooms start talking, what do you think that one thing they will come and tell me?
That students talk very much.
That students talk very much. Okay.
Students play pen fight on
That students play pen fight, that I'm aware of.
If animals could attend the school, which animal would be the best?
This is a difficult question. Which animal do you like the most?
Lion.
Lion. So let's lion be the best. Okay. Otherwise, I think horse will also be very good. Elephant might also be very good. Zebra can also be very good. So depends upon, we have so many students here.
Yes.
Some of you are naughty. Some of you are the quiet ones.
Yes.
Some of you are the heroes of the class.
Yes.
So we have different students and you have different attributes, different way you behave and enact. Similarly, I think animals will also do the same thing. What fun otherwise, you sitting and next to you a dog sitting, a cat sitting, a lion sitting, a horse sitting. Do you want that kind of school?
No, ma'am.
It might be fun, right?
If you get a free period, what would you do?
I will do what I'm doing right now. I'll spend my free period, my free time with students because that is my happy place.
What is that one thing we students do that makes you smile?
When I see you playing on the playground, I think that is the time I see the real version of you. Sometime you're angry, sometime you team up with your friends. So that is one thing where I feel I learn life from you because fields, the sports field, they teach us about life. And sometimes just standing and watching you and observing you, it brings the biggest smile on my face.
Would you rather be a student for a day or teacher for a day?
If you are giving me that opportunity, I would love to be a student. I would love to come and sit with you in your class, see teachers teaching, because every day is a new learning experience and I want to keep on learning. I want to be the student my entire life.
If given a chance to ask a question to your principal, what it would be?
This is a difficult question. So, if I ever get the opportunity to ask my principal any question, I'll ask her how she handles all the parents. Because students are fun, but sometimes handling parents is not as easy. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
You find it difficult to handle your parents? You say yes, and I will convey this to your parents, right?
What is more louder, morning assembly or lunch break?
If I ask the same question and you have to answer, what will be your answer?
My answer should be morning assembly.
Morning assemblies. I think lunch breaks are more louder, wherein you are free to talk to your friends, you are free to roam around anywhere in the school. You can go and meet your friends in different classes. There is a lot of whisper, lot of chatter, lot of positive noise. So rather than being loud or not loud, I'll say lunch breaks are the time where there is a lot of positive talking happening. You agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So now again, if you have to answer my question, is it morning assembly or lunch break?
Now I also think it is lunch break.
Lunch break? We agree to that?
Yes.
Morning assemblies are beautiful, and especially that meditation time
Yes.
where the entire school observes that silence and that stillness, which gives us energy for the entire day. to become louder during the lunch time.
If students became teacher for one day, what do you think would happen?
So, if you will become teachers for a day, you will see what teachers go through. You will step into their shoes. Then you will understand why teachers sometimes tell you to do one particular thing or not to do one particular thing. What is the reason behind that? You will understand their love, their compassion, their care. And they are not here only to teach you academics, they are here for your overall growth. So I think you will become more empathetic, and then you will start respecting your teachers altogether in a different manner, because then you will understand their journey.
Which is more fun? Sports day, annual day, or school picnics?
So for me, all three are important, but you have asked me which one is more fun. So let's go one by one. Annual day is all about displaying your various skills, right? Co-scholastic skills. So a lot of research goes behind it. When we talk about sports day, it's all about sportsmanship spirit, competition, healthy competition. But when we talk about school picnic, what comes to our mind the moment we talk about school picnic? Fun, right? So school picnics are more fun. There we are free to enjoy, and we make a different kind of bonding with our friends. There are so many times students come and say, okay, they have made new friends. And when did they do that? When they were out with them for picnic. So yes, picnics are more fun. What do you think is the purpose of recording these podcasts with you?
Stage fair gets far away from us.
Basically, the main purpose is we want you to ask questions. We want you to think independently, and we want you to ask intelligent, intellectual questions, because that's very important. Now we are at the day and era of AI, but for AI also you need to give some prompt. When you give the right prompt, then only you get the right response. So please understand your questions are like those prompts. So the more structured they are, the more specific they are, you will get the response accordingly. And that is what we want. We want all our children to be ready for life, ready with their questions. So now, do you think you are empowered and you can ask better questions?
Yes, ma'am.
That is what art of questioning is all about. We want you to ask question, the more the better, and stay curious. Keep on learning, because curiosity is that fire, that needs to keep on burning so that learning will happen. So stay curious and keep on learning. Happy learning to each one of you.
Thank you, ma'am.